Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Imagine finding a simple coin in your collection and learning that it could be worth up to $25 million. Today, we'll explore the mystery behind the 1 Dirham United Arab Emirates 1983/1393. Is this viral claim fact or fiction? Stay with us until the end, because this could change how you see coins forever. The United Arab Emirates introduced its currency, the dirham, in 1973, following its independence in 1971. The 1 dirham coin from 1983 is particularly significant because it represents the country's transition into a modern economy. What makes this coin stand out? The coin features a traditional Dala coffee pot, symbolizing hospitality, a cornerstone of Arabic culture. The dual dating system, 1983 and 1393, highlights the UAE's blend of modernity and tradition. This coin had a smaller production run, making it rarer than other UAE coins. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is this coin really worth $25 million? The rumor started online when a few listings on auction platforms went viral. But here's the truth. While rare coins can fetch enormous prices, the value depends on specific factors. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition are significantly more valuable. Coins with minting errors, such as double strikes or misalignments, can multiply in value, that if collectors worldwide are vying for a specific coin, its price can skyrocket. So, the $25 million claim? It's likely an exaggeration, but don't underestimate the coin's real value. Some error variants and rare examples have sold for thousands of dollars. Let's break down the factors that determine a coin's value. A coin's worth is directly proportional to its scarcity. The fewer coins available, the higher the demand. Coins are graded on a scale with terms like fine, very fine, and uncirculated. The better the condition, the higher the price. Coins from pivotal periods in history often attract higher prices. Any unusual features, like missing inscriptions or double impressions, make a coin highly desirable. Did you know that a similar UAE coin with a minting error was once sold for over $10,000? Always inspect your coins carefully. Here's how you can check if your coin is valuable. Step 1. Inspect the coin under a magnifying glass. Look for any imperfections, such as die cracks or off-center strikes. Step 2. Check the date and inscriptions. Coins with missing or unusual markings are highly sought after. Step 3. Compare your coin to similar listings online or in collector catalogs. If you believe your coin is rare, have it graded by a professional service like the PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service. This will give it an official value. Let me share a story from the collector's world. In 2017, a man in Dubai found a 1 dirham coin in his grandfather's collection. At first, it seemed ordinary, but after closer inspection, he discovered a rare minting error. He sold the coin at an auction for $12,000. This story reminds us that treasures can be hiding in plain sight. Have you checked your old coin jars or family heirlooms lately? Now it's your turn. Do you have a 1 dirham coin from 1983 or other rare coins? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's create a community of collectors who can help each other discover the true value of their treasures. Which coin do you think is the most valuable in your collection? Tell us, and we might feature your story in the next video. The 1 dirham United Arab Emirates 1983/1393 may not be worth $25 million, but it's undoubtedly a fascinating piece of history with potential value for collectors. Always remember, the true worth of a coin isn't just in its market price. It's in the stories it tells and the joy it brings to its owner. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coinsy Collection.